guys, welcome to another amazing video. I'm really happy you have checked out this video, and let's head on to it. Today we'll learn how to I'll give you a tutorial on the Tidal music application, how it looks like, a review of it. Very simple and very easy. You just go to Tidal music, as simple as that, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Press the notification button if you like my content. If you want to, if you want to support this channel, you just subscribe. We are in the road of 100 subscribers, and I know we'll make it. So let's go to login. You can sign up here. You can log in here. Wait. You can log in. You can log in here. This is how it looks like the login. You can log in with Facebook. Enter your email address. You can use PayPal, Twitter, simple as that. Really easy. And let me show you the home section. The home section, homepage section. You can download. You can check out all your artist albums. Even you can check the new album of Korean Honey. Yeah, make sure it's really amazing. You can see the titles, the album, the time, and this is really amazing. You can see Black Music Month. Yeah, you can see your favorite artist. This is how simple is it to use, and let's see. You can search your favorite music. That's how simple is it, and then you can explore. You can explore your favorite music: the hip hop, pop, summer, jazz, dance, gospel, Christian, electronic, kids music. You can find everything. Yeah, you must sign up first and log in. If you're new here, you first sign up so that you can see. This is really amazing. It's really useful, very good, and you can see your favorite artists. Yeah, your list is here. Moods, activity of your at home, cooking, cleaning, workout, party, relax, clean, focus, gaming, love, driving. You can see the top. Yeah, you can see the top music here. You cannot listen to music because I'll be copyrighted claim. So I'll just show you the music. You can see your favorite artists. Your favorite artists are here. That's a good. So remember, this is not paid promotion. This is not paid promotion. You can see your live videos, video channels. You can see the live video channels. Let's say this together. Make sure you are staying safe. You are sanitizing yourself and washing your hands. And for any comments, please drop down below. Any suggestions or what ideas you have for this channel? Any idea you have? Make sure you check out RusVPN. That's a VPN to protect you from the online accounts. Make sure you don't the password does not get in the wrong hands. Yeah, and please continue watching. And if you have any idea, if you have any comment, I will appreciate any compliment you will have in the comment section. all comments are allowed. Any criticization is allowed in this channel. Anything. That's how the channel goes. Then you search the videos here, as simple as that. And this is how simple it is. This is how simple it is. The hits video playlist. Please make sure you check out. And we have come to the end of the video. You can see the country video hits. We have come to the end of the video, and thanks for continuing my content and appreciating. Continue to share this channel to your family and friends, and continue promoting this channel, because without you this channel will not be where it is. And comment and appreciate, because it's not easy creating these videos. Editing takes time, and uploading, so you have to appreciate the time. And thanks for watching to the end, and please remember to subscribe if you want if you want to watch more of my videos, if you want to get a notification when I post a video. So you can choose whatever you want. You have the freedom to choose. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.